Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about the best rental property management software here. So basically here we already have a list that's ready for you, and we're going to showcase to you the best rental property management softwares that are available in the market. So first right here is going to be your HashMicro property management software. So this is all available in websites. You can access them via Chrome, web browsers, and other things that can be launched in your phone or in a desktop. So here, HashMicro is one of the best property management softwares in Southeast Asia and other places, even in North America, because it enables efficient property management and maintenance. So basically here, we're going to go with the features already right away. So it has tenant registration. So this one, the software can simplify the registration of new tenants with the feature to store the contact information, the payment history, and important documents such as contracts. You also have your payment management, where you can easily handle rent and deposit payments, including your automatic payments and late notifications. So here you also have your contact with tenants, because it's important to keep contact with your tenants. This property management software can help ease communication with tenants and coordination. Property maintenance is also one thing, so the software can manage property maintenance, including creating damage reports, scheduling repairs, and even recording the cost itself. So even the software can provide reports that can help the manager track payments and maintenance. Here, as you can see, we have our pros and cons. So here the pros is 100 unlimited or 100% unlimited user with no additional fees, guaranteed data security with ISO certifications, integration with modules, easy customization, and 24/7 customer and service support. So you also have your implementations during your based off the level of customization required by the company. That's the only con using your HashMicro property management software. So this is how it would look like right here. You can check out its website by just searching HashMicro property management software. Next is our Doorloop Inc. So here Doorloop Inc. is more focused on the side of Americans. So here you will have your Doorloop Inc. So it has quickly become a world leader in the industry. The company focuses on delivering a user-friendly platform. So here it's kind of user-friendly too, but I would recommend this for beginners. As you can see, you already see your profit loss, recent tenant requests, unpaid rent, recent payment received, rentals, and occupancy rates within your overview in just one page. So here, as you can see, they have automated rent collection, customizable tenant portals, and even integrated maintenance management, robust reporting tools, and many much more. So with one thing I really like here is your actual customizable tenant portal. So your tenant will get a portal for each person. That's really cool. So its pros and cons here is user-friendly and the strong customer support, seamless integration, and comprehensive reporting. For its cons, it has limited advanced features, not unlike the others that we're going to mention today. It has occasional bugs in the software, but it always gets updated. Lack of mobile optimization. Only this is for your desktop, because as you can see, the layout is really made for desktop. And the learning curve for beginners right here, actually, I would actually remove that because it is kind of simple to learn. Next one right here is your eCount property management system software. So this one's going to be available across all platforms with your phone, tablets, MacBooks, even Windows laptops, and desktops. So the eCount ERP is a cloud-based enterprise resource planning system designed for small businesses and medium-sized businesses, of course. So this property management software can handle its own rent collection work either through management accounting and tenant management. So here the features are accounting integration, rent collection, billing and invoicing, accounting, and tenant management. So its pros and cons is easy to understand. It has efficient customer service, but for its cons, its customization is very limited, not like the others that we mentioned, and it has limited integrations with other systems. It only goes with its own ecosystem right here. So last but not least, we have our Buildium property management software right here. As you can see, it's going to be available for your phone and for your desktop. It's really not that complex when it comes to its visual appearance right here, but let's find out. So the Buildium is a property management system, software designed specifically for residential property managers only. So this software is custom built to allow you to take control of every aspect of your business and drive. So its features right here are payment processing, tenant portal, work order management, and billing and invoicing. For its pros and cons, its friendly interface and good functionality will help you get through it, and it has features that meet the needs of property businesses. Its cons is the interface just needs to be updated because it looks really Asian right here, but it's what makes it really easy to learn here in this Buildium Property Manager. So there you go, guys. Those are the best rental property management softwares. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.